While the gate is opening in slow speed, it meets an obstacle and stop. The menu shows OL and means detect an overcurrent then stop. Due to the overcurrent value is too lower, we need to set a higher value by menu. Press and hold Fun button for about 3 seconds. The menu will show A0. Enter to setting parameters process. Press Ink 2 times, menu shows A2. Then press Fun to confirm to set motor 2 opening overcurrent value in slow speed. Press Ink button to increase the overcurrent value. Then press Fun button to confirm. Now the gate is opened in position.